Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. So, students, now it's time for English session. So, take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 2 of 2 Joyful C. And now, open page number 26. Yes, today we will do revision of the story Rub the Pup. Okay, now start reading. Rub, R-U-P, rub, T-H-E, the, pup, likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes, to, T-O-2, eat, E-A-T, eat, bun, bun, bun. Rub the pup, likes to eat, bun, likes means पसंद करना, right? उसे क्या पसंद है खाना? Eat means खाना, bun, okay? And what is the name of the pup? Rub, okay? So, rub the pup likes to eat bun. Pup को क्या खाना पसंद है? Bun. Rub the pup likes to eat bun. Now, pup drinks. D-R-I-N-K-S. Drinks. Drinks means पीना. From F-R-O-M. From a cup. उसे cup से पीना पसंद है. क्या पीना पसंद है? पानी या दूध, है ना? तो in a hut. I-N in a hut. Pup drinks from a cup in a hut. Right? So, किस में ड्रिंक करता है वो? कप में. और कहाँ पे? हट के अंदर. ओके, पप ड्रिंक्स फ्रॉम अ कप इन अ हट. नेक्स्ट लाइन, पप सिट्स, S-I-T-S, सिट्स ऑन अ रग, दिस इज रग, in a bus with WITH, with mum. किसके साथ? अपनी मम के साथ, राइट? पप सिट्स ऑन अ रग, रग के ऊपर बैठता है. इन अ बस, बस में अपनी मम के साथ, राइट? पप सिट्स ऑन अ रग इन अ बस विथ मम. ओके, now, Rub runs, R-U-N-S, runs in the, T-H-E, the mud, with W-I-T-H, with a pug. Rub runs in the mud with a pug. और कहाँ पे रन करता है? मड में. किसके साथ? पग के साथ. ओके, Rub runs in the mud with a pug. Next line. Pup eats, E-A-T-S, eats nuts, nuts in the sun. और सनी डे में वो क्या खाता है? नट्स खाता है, राइट? Pup eats nuts in the sun, right? Now, what is the pup called? Pup को किस नेम से बुलाते हैं? Yes, students. Pup is called Rub. Pup is called Rub. Okay, pup is called Rub. What does the pup like to eat? और pup को क्या खाना पसंद है? Yes, pup likes to eat bun. Pup likes to eat bun, right? Now, what does the pup like to do? और pup को क्या करना पसंद है? Yes, pup likes to run in the mud with a pug. Okay, pup likes to run in the mud with a pug. Okay, students, so in this way you have to read the story and you have to learn these question answers also. Okay, so you have to do practice, right, for your exams, right? So do preparation. Okay, so now today's English session is over and now it's time for math session. So take out your maths book. Yes, child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 2 of 2 Joyful C. And now open page number 44. Yes, so basic shapes. Okay, now tell me which shape is this? This is a square shape. This is a square shape. Okay, so and next one, triangle shape. Triangle shape. Okay, and this one, circle shape. So a square has 4 sides and all 4 sides are equal, right? And triangle has 3 sides and circle is round, okay? And circle has no sides, right? Okay, now move to the next page. Now open 49 page. Yes. Now, which shape is this? This is a triangle shape. And which shape is this? This is an oval shape. And this one, this is a hexagon shape, right? So, rectangle has opposite sides are equal. Okay. So, and it's an oval shape. It's like an egg. And hexagon has six sides and six corners, right? Six sides and six corners. Okay. Now, come on, 55 number page. Yes, shadows. So, these are objects and these are their shadows. Okay. And you know, a shadow is created when the light coming from a light source. Okay. Such as the sun, a light bulb, or a flashlight is blocked by a solid object. Right. Now you have to match up with their shadows. This is a flower and his shadow. So, like this, tree, and you have to match with tree's shadow. Man, and you have to match with man's shadow, right? Car, and you have to match with car's shadow. Then building, you have to match with the building shadow. Okay. So, now move on. 58 number. Patterns. So, you have to draw and complete the sequence of patterns, right? Now see, this is a circle and this is a cylinder shape, then circle, then cylinder, then circle. Okay, now tell me. And next one, this is a triangle shape, then square shape, then triangle shape. Now tell me which shape will come here after triangle. Square. Yes. Okay, so in the same manner you have to complete the patterns. So next one, star, then square, then star, square, star, square. Now which shape will come here after square? Yes, star. So in the same manner you have to complete the patterns, right? So this is a circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, then circle will come. Okay, after the triangle shape, right? Okay. Now see colors. So it's yellow color, then blue color, square, then red color, square, then yellow, then blue, then red, then after red, yellow will come here. Okay, so in the same way, there is bad, then ball, bad, ball, then bat. Okay, now you have to tick over here, right? Now 63 number. Okay, use of a ruler. So these are called centimeters. Okay, from 0 to 12 centimeters. Okay, and then you have to measure objects with the use of ruler, right? You have to place from 0 and you have to measure the length of the object. Like this is a pencil and you have to measure the length of the pencil, right? So it starts from the 0 and it ends on the number 6. So it means it's 6 centimeters. The length of the pencil is 6 centimeters. Okay, the pencil is 6 centimeters, right? In this way, straw, you have to measure the length of the straw. So it start from the 0 and on the number 10. So it means it's the length of the straw is 10 centimeter. So in this way, you have to measure the things with the ruler, right? And these are the strips you have to place over here and you have to measure the strips and write over here the length of the strips, right? So students, you have to revise your all concepts, okay, and do prepare for your exams, right students? So now today's math session is over. Now it's time for Hindi session. So take out your Hindi book. Yes, child-centric Hindi perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful. See. And now open page number 26. Yes. Okay. So once again, today we will revise Swar and Vyanjan. Okay. Now, what is this? A, anar. A, anar. A, am. A, am. E, imli. E, imli. E, eek. E, eek. U, ullu. U, ullu. U, un. U, un. Ri, rishi. Ri, rishi. A, adi. A, adi. A, anak. A, anak. O, oakley. O, oakley. A, औरत. A, औरत. अंग, अंगूर. अंग, अंगूर. aha, खाली. aha, खाली. Now व्यंजन क, कछुआ. क, कछुआ. ख, खरगोश. ख, खरगोश. ग, गमला. ग, गमला. घ, घड़ी. घ, घड़ी. अंग, खाली. अंग, खाली. च, चम्मच. च, चम्मच. छ, छतरी. छ, छतरी. ज, जहाज. ज, जहाज. झ, झंडा. झ, झंडा. इया, खाली. इया, खाली. ट, टमाटर. ट, टमाटर. ठ, ठठेरा. ठ, ठठेरा. ड, डलिया. ड, डलिया. ढ, ढपली. ढ, ढपली. ण, खाली. ण, खाली. Now next page. त, तरबूज. त, तरबूज. थ, थर्मस. थ, थर्मस. द, दरवाजा. द, दरवाजा. ध, धनुष. ध, धनुष. न, नल. न, नल. प, पतंग. प, पतंग. फ, फल. फ, फल. ब, बतख. ब, बतख. भ, भवन. भ, भवन. म, मछली. म, मछली. य, यज्ञ. य, यज्ञ. र, रस्सी. र, रस्सी. ल, लट्टू. ल, लट्टू. व, वन. व, वन. श, शलगम. श, शलगम. श, षटकोण. श, षटकोण. स, सपेरा. स, सपेरा. ह, हल. ह, हल. श, क्षत्रिय. श, क्षत्रिय. त्र, त्रिशूल. त्र, त्रिशूल. ज्ञ, ज्ञानी. ज्ञ, ज्ञानी. ड़, अड़. ड़, अड़. Okay. So students, in this way you have to recognize your all Vyanjans word, right? Now you have to match with the correct svar and Vyanjan. Okay. Now take your pencil with eraser. A, anar. A, am. E, imli. E, eek. U, ullu. Re, rishi. U, un. Okay. Now A, adi. A, anak. O, ओखली. औ, औरत. अंग, अंगूर. आहा, खाली. क, कछुआ. Now ग, गमला. ख खरगोश, घ घड़ी, खाली, च चम्मच, छ छतरी, जहाज। नेक्स्ट, यहाँ खाली, झंडा, ठठेरा, टमाटर, ढपली, डलिया, खाली। नाउ नेक्स्ट, थर्मस, तरबूज, दरवाजा, धनुष, नल, पतंग, फल। नेक्स्ट, भवन, बतख, मछली, यज्ञ, रस्सी, लट्टू, वन। नाउ नेक्स्ट, षटकोण, शलगम, सपेरा, हल, क्षत्रिय, ऋषि, त्रिशूल। Now move to the next page, and now you have to color it. Okay, दिए गए चित्र में रंग भरिए, तो आपने इसमें अपने अकॉर्डिंग, अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग कलर फिल करने हैं. Okay student, so in this way your Hindi session is over, and this was your last session. Okay, and you have to do preparation for your exams. Okay students, so best of luck, right? अच्छे से एग्जाम्स की आपने तैयारी करनी है और अच्छे से एग्जाम्स देने हैं आपने, right? And we will meet soon. We will meet in our new session. Start from 8th April, right? 8th April से हम स्कूल में मिलेंगे. Okay बच्चों, so have a nice day. Bye bye.